thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the pound-dollar, recent developments, and the potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Javier in our trading room.
The pound-dollar pair rose 0.4% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The last session saw the gold rise 0.3% against the dollar. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The euro rose 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. The MACD is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The dollar fell 0.8% against the yen in the last trading session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
Thank you, Javier, for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
Markets were set for a bumpy ride this week as the fallout from collapsed startup-focused lender Silicon Valley Bank, the biggest US bank failure since the 2008 financial crisis, coincides with key economic data and policy meetings. British Finance Minister Jeremy Hunt said he was working on a plan to avoid or minimise damage from the disruption that could arise from a collapse of the UK arm of Silicon Valley Bank, and that the government is making this a top priority. The US dollar weakened at the end of last week after US labour data for last month showed slower wage growth, suggesting that an easing of inflation pressures might keep the US Federal Reserve's pace of interest rate hikes modest and thereby reduce the greenback's appeal.
Thank you for this, Javier. Coming up, today's major economic events.
The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting at 0700 hours GMT. Singapore's unemployment rate will be released at 02:30 GMT. Korea's export price growth at 2100 hours GMT. Korea's import price growth at 2100 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.